wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best train cases. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. You could use the Jumbo Leopard print as a desktop organizer thanks to its front opening pull-out tray. You could also take it on the go while traveling since it closes securely and has a convenient sturdy handle for carrying. It offers a decent storage capacity and a flocked velveteen interior. However, the drawers do not fit properly. At number 9, the Samtor Travel has a 3.5-inch deep storage area, so it's more for personal use than for taking on a film or photo shoot. When used in transit though, it does have adjustable straps that can be positioned over one shoulder or both as a backpack. It stores neatly beneath the sink and has specific areas for different tools, but it doesn't have enough dividers. Coming in at number 8 on our list. The MLMSY 3-layer organizer is made of a durable Oxford cloth fabric that makes it lightweight and simple to clean. The inner layer is padded, which helps to prevent bottles and jars being broken by any jostling when carrying it around. Its color makes it easy to keep track of, and its zippered areas can hold papers or cards. However, the dividers are slightly flimsy. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for train cases, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Hoyofo double layer manages not to appear gaudy despite its pink, blue and black color options that pop without being an eyesore. The top compartment holds smaller everyday objects, while the lower one is for larger occasional needs. It's made with a stain-resistant textured fabric, and brushes can be stored in the lid, but its design will not suit everyone. Moving up our list to number 6. With its vibrant cheetah print pattern, the Caboodle's Eye Candy Cheetah certainly isn't the right choice for everyone, but it's virtually guaranteed to catch the attention of all who see it. Its interior can be made even more roomy by removing the storage tray. It features a useful mirror built into the lid and a carrying handle sewn to the top. However, its zipper is not high quality. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Cameo Carryall has elastic straps built into its lid that are perfect for securing small brushes, eyeliner pencils, and more. Its interior can easily accommodate larger brushes, bottles, and all of your other sundries. It comes with an array of products that involve no animal testing. It's made with reinforced corners. At number 4, when you buy the Olyroos Large, you're not paying for something that catches the eye, and you're not getting something with a huge carrying capacity. But what it lacks in those two departments, it more than makes up for in reliability. It's equipped with an EVA inner frame cover, a compartmentalized interior, a handle, and a shoulder strap. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The exterior of Le Sportsac Classic serves to add both style and protection for the items stored within. It can be had in an imaginatively named assortment of colors and patterns, including Balance Beam and Purple Snake. It comes with a durable nylon lining, a sturdy zippered enclosure, and a compact clutch-style bag. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for train cases, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Lenubo Glenor Beauty Professional isn't just boasting with its name. It's capable of carrying a whole arsenal of cosmetic products, and it has a modular interior that can be customized in accordance with the user's needs. It features dual locks with keys and 4 smooth pull-out trays. It remains upright when opened. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Songmix 4-in-1 Rolling is the go-to choice for professional traveling makeup artists working in the fashion or theater industries. With that pedigree, it can more than meet the needs of even the most demanding of individuals. It boasts smooth rolling wheels, a modular design that makes it flexible, and a rugged ABS surface. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for train cases, or simply click beneath this video.